Set the stop loss at EMA crossover zone. Then set the take profit 2 times above the stop loss. Let's find out the results. This trade ended up to be profitable. What a great strategy! Hey traders! Welcome to the Hyper Trade YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn a high profitability CCI with EMA crossover trading strategy. Before we get into the details, I want to remind you that we can use this strategy to trade with almost any market. This strategy should work with forex, crypto, and stocks. It works because price action has a pattern that moves almost the same when trading with any market. First of all, I will explain this trading strategy and how it works. So, the CCI EMA crossover is a day trading strategy that uses 2 indicators. The indicators consist of EMA or Exponential Moving Average and CCI or Commodity Channel Index. This strategy works by combining both a trend-following indicator as well as overbought and oversold indicator. The exponential moving averages will help you see the market trend whenever the crossover happens. On the other side, CCI is an oscillator that tells you whether the market is overbought or oversold. When CCI is combined with moving average crossover, it can be one of the most accurate trading strategies that you can use in any market. This strategy is flexible because traders can choose if they want to enter or exit a trade. We will use the moving average crossover to identify potential trends when the market is moving. Other than that, the moving average crossover system also helps you do these 3 things. First, EMA crossover will help you determine the trend direction of the price. Second, it will also help you find the potential trade entry that follows the trend. And finally, EMA crossover can also help to determine whether the trend is going to end or reversing. This strategy will use a total of 3 technical indicators. For your information, all of the indicators used in this video are available for free on TradingView. The first indicator is the yellow line, which is the Exponential Moving Average or EMA with the length of 13. The second indicator is the blue line, which is EMA with the length of 26. And the third indicator is Commodity Channel Index with default settings. If you want more videos like this, feel free to smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell so that you know exactly when new content is released. Let's get into our first buy trade example. Our buy conditions are simple. First, the EMA crossover must happen. Second, the CCI indicator hits the oversold zone. This is our first buy trade. As we can see, the EMA crossover just happened here. And then the CCI indicator hits the oversold zone. It's time to enter a buy trade. Set the stop loss at EMA crossover zone. Then set the take profit 2 times above the stop loss. Time to reveal how this trade performs. This trade is profitable. As you can see, this strategy makes profit for the first time. But this trade is not enough to prove the profitability of this strategy. Because of that, this video will show you more trades. Watch this video until the end to learn and understand how to use this strategy. Enough with that, let's get into our next buy trade. This time we have our second buy trade entry. As we can see in our screen, the EMA crossover just happened here. And then the CCI indicator hits the oversold zone. It's our time to enter another buy trade. Set the stop loss at EMA crossover zone. Then set the take profit 2 times above the stop loss. Let's find out the results. This trade ended up to be profitable. What a great strategy! This will be our first short trade example. Our conditions is actually a reversed version of our long conditions. First, the EMA crossover must happen. Second, the CCI indicator hits the overbought zone. This will be our first short trade. As we can see in our screen, the EMA crossover just happened here. And then the CCI indicator hits the overbought zone. We can prepare our short trade here. Set the stop loss at EMA crossover zone. Then set the take profit 2 times below the stop loss. Time to see how this trade performs. This trade turned out to be a profitable trade. But this trade alone is not enough. We have one more trade to make sure this strategy is very profitable. Let's get into our next short trade. We have our second short entry here. As we can see, the EMA crossover just happened here. and then the CCI indicator hits the overbought zone. It's our time to enter a short trade again. Set your stop loss at blue line and set the take profit 2 times below the stop loss. Let's find out the results. This trade ended up being profitable. What an amazing strategy! We finally discovered a highly profitable and accurate trading strategy. But these results are not perfect. Traders can make this strategy more profitable. First, it is always a good idea to backtest the strategy with more historical market data. Backtesting usually takes around 100 or more trades until finish. After done backtesting, traders can move into paper trading. Paper trading is a testing process to the strategy with live market price data, but we are trading without real money. Traders can use the paper trade feature in TradingView. And then the last point is, play with the strategy parameters. Change the options such as EMA length or time frame of the strategy. There is more to talk about trading. If you like trading videos, feel free to subscribe the Hyper Trade channel and like this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next videos.